Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Dallas Best Apartments. Hey, I'm at the beautiful Kincaid at Legacy, in Plano, Texas. We're gonna go take a peek inside the Kincaid. This is a property that we've been at before, and it's one of my favorites, and it happens to be in West Plano, Texas, and this is just an incredible location. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just update some of the content that we already have and give you some beautiful new content of the Kincaid at Legacy. Last time we were here, it was super cold and everything was chilly, freezing. It was like a January or something, but now we're gonna have a beautiful look and feel here too, and it's gonna be sunny and everything, so I can't wait to show this off to you. If you have questions at any time about the Kincaid, or if you're ready to tour, set up a tour, the quickest way to do that, the easiest way to do that is to text me. Just text me on the number below and just say, Grant, I'd love to set up a tour. I'm hearing good stuff about the Kincaid. Would love to set up a tour. We can set up a virtual tour. That's a good first step, virtual tour. And then we can set up a live tour as well. So, yeah, a live in-person tour as well. So either way, just go ahead and send me that text. Now, let's take a look at the parking really quick here at the Kincaid.